Well, hi folks, it's about time to plant the garlic out now. So this is the stock I'm going to use. It's some that I kept from last year, so it's all my sort of bigger bulbs. So I'll just show you how easy it is and the process and how we get on with it. So we'll get on and do it. Right, so the first thing I've got to do is I'm going to select my bigger bulbs. I always keep my bigger bulbs for stock every year. I've been growing the same strain of this. This is the same garlic that I've been growing for about 15 years now. I've never bought any for 15 years because it stores that well. So the first thing to do is to separate your bulb into individual cloves, as you would for cooking really. This is quite easy. What I like to do, I like to personally just use the bigger cloves. Don't know whether it makes any difference or not, but I've always done that and I've always got a really good crop. So like I said, just select these bigger cloves, nice fat juicy ones. So I'm going to be planting 60 today. 3 rows of 20, 6 inches apart between the bulbs, and then a foot apart between the rows. So we'll just get all these out and then we'll get planting. Right then folks, with your garlic clove, obviously you've got a pointy end, sorry, popped out. You've got a little pointy end and a blunt end, and the blunt end's where the roots grow out. So you want to be pushing that down into the soil, and my rule of thumb is to push the bulb into the soil about the same size of the bulb below the surface. So basically if I use it with my thumb, I push it in and it goes up to my thumb knuckle, up to my thumb joint there. Like I said, I'm going to plant these out every 6 inches. So I'm going to push it in and then push it in about another inch below the surface. Pointy end upwards every 6 inches. Couldn't be easier. See, a lot of people plant the garlic in autumn, but I've never had any success with that. So I always plant mine this time of year, never any later than this, because garlic actually needs about a month's period of cold weather. It's called vernalization. Otherwise the bulb doesn't actually split into cloves. It just sort of swells the clove up into a bigger clove rather than a bulb. So it needs to get in, you know, it needs a good month of cold weather. So that's why I do it here, because it's cold enough here at this time of year to give it that month of cold. So like I said, couldn't be easier. 6 inches apart. Where are we at? 48, 54, about an inch below, and just keep doing that, foot apart in the row, 6 inches apart, and that's about it really. It couldn't be simpler. Just a matter of spacing them out, pushing them under about an inch, putting a bit of blood fish and bone on, and really that's about it, because they don't get many pests apart from rust. So that's all you can really say. So that's about it folks. Just a quick garlic planting video, nothing exciting, but just for people who might not know how to do it. See you later.